YouTube, I'm gonna show you how to download Detonate 1.2. So first, you go to this website www.wildbeast.com/detonate.htm. So you'll get this page. Second, you click the light version. You click download after that. If you want to buy the full version, you get this. You click buy now. It's only for €5. And the difference between the light version and the full version, and in the full version you can make your own maps, but in the light version you cannot. So after downloading, you'll have this file, Detonate Lite version 1.2 setup.exe. Open it, click yes, next, and you click install. It will make you a shortcut, but I'm not gonna install it. So, yes. If you want to have bonus buildings, click this one below the light version. Wait for the internet. There you will have 3 files. Go to on how to have the map. Go to this PC, local disk, program files, detonate, and go to the buildings. Drag it there. Continue, and it's there. So after that, you here pick your selection for if you want the windowed or the full screen. I'm just gonna do windowed because full screen is not available for me. Click play. Just wait because sometimes it needs to load. Click here destroy, and you'll have some maps. Here you got here the maps, the 3 maps. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please subscribe me. That would be a big help. And please like this video. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope I helped, and see you next time.